Let's talk about the crucial decision you might face when choosing the right contractor. In brief, let's consider quality, pricing, and communication. When a company relies on subcontractors, they often lose direct control over the work being done. This can lead to variations in quality and inconsistency, as subcontractors may have different standards or levels of expertise. Communication will always be an issue. When multiple parties are involved, miscommunication can happen, leading to delays, confusion, and frustration. The biggest pain point is pricing. When you contact a company for a consultation, you will most likely meet a salesman or an estimator. These reps typically have zero to no experience on the tools. They rely on another company that is capable of handling your project and will take up to 50% of the full contract price, leaving the subcontractors with the remaining 50% to deal with costs of their employees and materials. Does that sound like you would get quality work from the subcontractor whose main goal is to get out quick to make a decent buck? By choosing Right Contracting means that our in-house team represents our company culture and values. Every member of our staff shares a commitment to excellence and client satisfaction. We invest in our employees, ensuring their growth and development aligns with our mission to serve you better. Our team is not just a workforce, they're our family, dedicated to providing you with the best possible service. For more information on this topic, click the link below. Cheers.